Good morning, boys and girls. I have Ian here to say good morning to you. Say good morning, Ian. Oh, look, he waved to you. He's excited to see you this morning. Welcome to your first day of online learning, boys and girls. I have a morning message here for you today, just like you would have in the classroom. So I have Baby Echo here to help me read it. I'm going to try to turn my screen around a little bit so you can see me. Oh, there's Campbell and Caroline. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Campbell's holding his computer. He's working on his online learning, and Caroline's about to start hers too. All right, here we go. Turn a little bit. So I brought Baby Echo from school, and I brought our whiteboard from the teacher table to do our morning message. Let's see. Hopefully you can see it. I think you should be able to see it now. So you can go ahead and read along with me. Hey guys, Caroline, would you turn those lights off overhead, sweetie? I think they're shining on my board. Thank you. All right, so here we go. It says 3/18/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. We will start learning at home today. Don't forget our class rules. Here are our rules. Number 1, be safe, be respectful, be kind, and do your best. Love, Mrs. Nivison. So remember, even when you're learning at home, and you're doing your online learning, you should be following our rules at home as well, being safe, respectful, kind, always working hard and doing your best. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to turn this board around. And I have a little bit of practice for you. You should recognize these 3 trick words. We've been working on these in school, right? I'll give you a minute. Do you remember what this word says? Little hint if you need one. That L right over here is silent. It does not make a sound. So this word is would. Read the next word with me. Could. And the last word right here is should. Boys and girls, tell someone at home which one of those words has a digraph in it. Is it would, could, or should? Which one has a digraph? What else can you tell someone at home about these 3 words? What do these 3 words all have in common? What's the same about them? What's different about all 3 of these words? So for the same, you may have said the O-U-L-D is the same in each of these words. You could have said they all rhyme, would, could, should. You could have said they all end with the D sound. There's many things you could have said about these words that are the same. What's different about these words? You could have said that they all start with a different sound. Let's take a look at this list over here. Take a look at this first word. I have already marked it up for you. Take a minute to try to read that word. You can tap it out. So if I tap it out, you can read it with me. It sounds like this. S, n, a, p, snap. This word is snap. Who remembers? Why did I underline the S and the N separately? Remember, because they're a blend. They're 2 consonants right next to each other that make 2 separate sounds. So when we sound this out one more time, we get s, n, a, p, snap. This word is snap, and the blend is at the beginning. Your next word, tap it out with me. R, e, s, t. This word is rest. Where is the blend in the word rest? Tell someone at home or tell yourself out loud. If you said at the end the st, the st, you are correct. Look at our last word right here. Sound this one out with me. Tap it out. This word is k. sh, crash. This word is crash, boys and girls. I want you to think for a minute, how would you mark this word up? If you had to mark up the word crash, what is one thing you could do? Maybe I even see 2 or 3 things we could do. The first thing I would do is underline my blend with 2 separate lines, since it makes 2 sounds, crash. And then I would also underline my digraph with 1 line, since it makes 1 sound. Okay? And the vowel sounds in all of these words, snap, est, and ash, are they short vowels or long vowels? If you said short vowels, you are right. They are all short vowel sounds. They do not say their name. They make their short vowel sounds. Let's take a quick look at this sentence I made together. This says, you can read it with me, boys and girls. I will rest in my bed with my frog. I will rest in my bed with my frog. I hope not. That's pretty silly. Boys and girls, can you find 2 words in that sentence with blends? 1 word is in this first line at the top. It's somewhere in here. It is in the word rest. Can you find a blend in this bottom line down here? Somewhere down here. If you said the FR in frog, you are correct. I also see some trick words. I see a bunch of trick words. I see I see my again. I see a digraph. I see a bonus letter L. Anybody see anything that I forgot? We could also mark our short vowels if we want to. That's another way we could mark this up. And we can scoop our words. What's a way you would scoop this sentence? I'll give you a minute to think about it. This is a long sentence. I think I would use 3 scoops. I think I would do this. I will rest in my bed with my frog. What do you guys think? You like that? Maybe some of you had different ways, and that's okay too. Remember, there's not one right way. There's more than one right way to scoop sentences. All right, boys and girls, I want to tell you about the 3 things that I would like for you to do today at home. At least 3 things. If you would like to do more learning, and that is okay with a grown-up at home, please let them know that I have put some more websites and other activities you can do at home right inside of our Google Classroom. And if they can't find them and they're looking for them, tell them to ask me, and I can help them find where they are. Today you will be doing at least 3 things. Number 1 is reading. Read for at least 10 or 20 minutes. You can read a book you have at home. Or there are some websites that I've shared with your parents on Google Classroom. Epic is an option. And there's another new one called Raz Kids that has books that could be just right for you. I went right into Raz Kids and I told Raz Kids what book bin you read from. So A, B, C, D, and they should give you books that are just right for you, just like we have in our book boxes. So if you're feeling like they're not just right for you, let me know and I can try to fix that for you. Okay, that's number 1 is reading. Number 2, you're going to go onto a website called Headsprouts. It might feel a little bit like what we do in Foundations that will help you learn letter sounds, word sounds, parts of words, and learning to read. And then it will also ask you maybe to read a story, and then it will ask you questions about it. So you'll be doing Headsprouts today. Try to do that for at least 20 to 30 minutes if you can. And then the 3rd thing is called Lunch Doodles with Mo Willems. Does anyone remember who Mo Willems is? He's the author of the Elephant and Piggy books and the Pigeon books and lots of other fun books for kids. And right now, while lots of kids are learning at home, he is doing every single day, he's doing these lunch doodles where you can sign on to his website and he'll show you how he does some of his drawings in his books. So it's really fun. You can draw along with him. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to say goodbye for now, but please remind your parents if they have any questions or any trouble at all today, they can email me, they can Class Dojo me, or they can talk to me on Google Classroom. All right, I hope you have a great day. If you want to send me some pictures of you doing your learning on Google Classroom or Class Dojo, I would love to see them. You don't have to, but that would be fun. That would be a fun way for me to see what you're doing. And as we go forward and do even more learning online, maybe next week, or maybe even at the end of this week, I'll start doing some more videos with foundations and lots of our other learning so that you can still be learning from me as well. Okay, have a great day, boys and girls. Bye.